Assalamu alaikum and welcome to third video lecture of grade 3 social studies. I am your social studies teacher from Honors Kindergarten and Secondary School Lahore. In this video I will explain 4 chapters for all to use, services, transport and road safety. Let's start unit number 7 for all to use, page number 22. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to tell what is community, services, tax, how is a government chosen, what does the government do. Community. Your house is on a street. The people who live near your house are your neighbors. All the people living in one place form a community. The community can be a village, a town, or a city. Every community has things which are shared by all the people. The house in which you live is your own, but the street is not. You share the street with other people. You share many other things too. Services. ऐसी थिंग्स जिन्हें हम सब यूज़ कर सकते हैं and we share with other people's like schools, streets, shops, banks, hospitals, parks, post offices, electricity, libraries, footpaths, clinics. They are called services. Services can be private or public. Private means they belong to someone. Public means they are for everyone. For example, students, we are walking on a street. They are paid or not free. हम फ्रेश एयर में सांस ले रहे हैं तो इसके लिए हम पे नहीं करते, हम फ्रीली सांस ले रहे हैं. अगर आप किसी बस और टैक्सी को यूज़ करते हैं तो उसके लिए आप टिकट लेते हैं और उसके लिए पे कर रहे होते हैं. इसी तरह आप अगर किसी डॉक्टर को अपना चेकअप करवाने के लिए हॉस्पिटल जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे भी आप पे कर रहे होते हैं. ये सब सर्विसेज हैं. और कुछ सर्विसेज जो होती हैं जिसके लिए हम पे करते हैं और कुछ सर्विसेज ऐसी होती हैं जिसको हम फ्रीली यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं. टैक्स. Every person in a community has to pay tax to the government. A house owner pays a house tax and a car owner pays a road tax. People who earn lots of money pay income tax. Money collected from taxes is used by the government to provide services for everyone. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हम गवर्नमेंट को कैसे चूज़ करते हैं? वी कांट ऑल मेक द रूल्स, सो वी हैव एन इलेक्शन. वी वोट एंड चूज पीपल हु विल मेक द रूल्स फॉर अस. दीज पीपल फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट. What does the government do? The government decide how much tax we have to pay and what services to provide. They get people to do different jobs for the community. Now there is a turn to sum up first topic. We have a summary of it. The people who live near our house are our neighbors. All the people living in one place form a community. We share many things with others like street, school, shops, markets, banks, and the air we breathe. All these things are for us to use. They are called services. Services can be private or public. Every person in a community has to pay tax to the government. Money collected from taxes is used by the government to provide services to everyone. We vote and choose the people who will make the rules. Learn the question answers from your notebook or summer pack. Now students, open page number 24. See A part. इसमें आपको डिफरेंट सर्विसेज बताई हुई हैं. आपने उनके आगे लिखना है कि कौन सी सर्विस पे आप पे करते हो और कौन सी सर्विस फ्री हैं. राइट सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग दीज वर्ड्स. ये वर्ड्स हैं, आपने इनके सेंटेंसेस खुद से बनाने हैं. ओके. लेसन नंबर 8 सर्विसेज. ओपन पेज नंबर 25. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to tell what is service, about police service, fire brigade service, doctor service, and social welfare services. Services. In a community, in towns and cities, there are different services which help the people. The police and fire brigade, hospitals, and the city council are examples of such services. Police services. In every city there are a number of police stations. These are places where policemen and policewomen work. Their job is to keep us and our property safe. To do this, they have to be out on the streets to see that everyone is obeying the rules. These rules are called laws. There are many laws in our country. For example, one law says that you cannot steal from another person. People who are caught breaking the law are arrested by the police. Sometimes the police also have to fight the criminals. They have a hard job to do. Some policemen direct traffic in a city. They make sure that people drive properly and obey the rules of the road. They also help people, especially the very old and young, to cross the road. Fire brigade services. When there is a dangerous fire somewhere, fire brigaders are called to put it out. They travel in a red fire engine. The fire engine has a loud bell or siren to warn others to move out the way so that they can get to the fire quickly. When fighters get to the fire, they use ladders and long hoses to bring water to put out the fire. They need to use long ladders. If the fire is in a tall building, they wear helmets and sometimes carry sharp axes. Do you know why? If people are trapped inside a burning building, they go in and bring them out to safety. People who work for the fire brigade are very brave as they take risks to save other people's lives and property. Doctor services. People who are very ill are taken to a hospital. Sometimes people are badly hurt in an accident. Sometimes they need an emergency operation. When this happens, they are rushed to a hospital in an ambulance, where they are looked after by doctors and nurses. They are given medicines to make them better. Have you seen how an ambulance races through the traffic to take a sick or injured person to a hospital? Other drivers must always give way to an ambulance so that it can save a patient's life. Clinics are usually much smaller than hospitals. A clinic is a place you go to when you are not well. In a small clinic, there is usually only one doctor. If you need to have an injection or a checkup, then you can see your doctor at a clinic. Social welfare services. People who provide free help and care to the poor and needy persons are doing a social service. In times of accidents and injuries caused by fires or when natural disasters like earthquakes, storms, and floods occur, they offer help and support. Now there is a turn to sum up second topic. We have a summary of it. In a community, towns and cities, there are different services which help the people. The police, the fire brigade, hospitals, and the city council are the example of such services. The job of police is to keep us and our property safe. When there is a dangerous fire somewhere, firefighters are called to put it out. People who are very ill taken to the hospital, they are looked after by doctors and nurses. Learn the following question answers from your notebook or summer vacation work. Now students, open page number 28. In A part आपको different पॉइंट्स लिखे हुए हैं, आपने उनको पढ़ना है और बताना है कि ये कौन से प्रोफेशन से रिलेटेड है. फॉर एग्जांपल, क्लिनिक में कौन काम करते हैं? डॉक्टर. हॉस्पिटल में कौन काम कर रहा है? डॉक्टर. सीज द पेशेंट, डॉक्टर. तो आपने इन सबको देख के लिखना है कि ये कौन से प्रोफेशन में काम कर रहे हैं. इन बी पार्ट, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. आपको चैप्टर की अच्छी से समझ आई है तो आप ये खुद से बुक वर्क को सॉल्व करें और उसके बाद आंसर्स को यहाँ से टैली करें. Unit number 9, Transport. Open page number 29. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to tell what is transport, land transport, air transport, and water transport. Transport. Any means that we use to move from one place to another is called transport. Machines which take us from one place to another on land are called vehicles. Some vehicles are driven forward by engines. The engines run on petrol, diesel, or CNG. Some vehicles can also run on electricity. Here are some other vehicles which have engines. They all need petrol, diesel, or CNG and oil and water to run. The tires need air. Can you think why water is needed and where it is used in vehicles? Can you name the vehicles in this picture? Some vehicles do not have an engine. They are pulled by animals or man. Have you seen any of these on the roads? Can you name some more? Land transport. Vehicles that travel along the ground have wheels. Trains have wheels too, but they move along on tracks or rails. Railway carriages are pulled by powerful engines. The power of these engines comes from diesel, coal, or electricity. Have you ever traveled by train? In Pakistan, we have a railway network that links all major towns and cities. There is also a good network of roads and highways. Many people travel by car and many more use the bus services. Air transport. Traveling by air is the fastest way to go anywhere. Aeroplanes can fly over the sea and high mountains. They can transport hundreds of people over long distances in the shortest time. For traveling short distances by air, the helicopter is most useful. Helicopters can land almost anywhere, even on your playing field. Water transport. There are many kinds of boats like ferry, ships, tankers, container ships. A ferry, for example, carries people and goods from one bank of a river to the opposite bank. Ships are used to carry huge loads of goods like grain, wood, machinery. Ships that carry oil are called tankers. Goods that are packed in containers are transported in container ships. Boats are also used for sport and adventure. A speedboat moves very fast over the water. Fishermen also use boats to go fishing in the lakes, rivers, or in the sea. Ships have huge engines. Can you see in this picture some boats that have no engines? How do they move? Now there is a turn to sum up third topic. We have a summary of it. Any means that we use to move from one place to another is called transport. Machines which take us from one place to another place on land are called vehicles. Traveling by air is the fastest way to go anywhere. Boats and ships are also used for moving from one place to another. These are examples of water transport. Vehicles that travel along the ground have wheels. Trains have wheels too, but they move on tracks or rails. It is an example of land transport. Learn the following question answers from your notebook or summer pack work. Now students, open page number 34. In A part, fill in the blanks. See B part. Which can go the fastest? Put these in order. Like car, bicycle, bus, scooter. आपने इनको ऑर्डर में लिखना है कि सबसे फास्ट कौन सी जो ट्रांसपोर्ट है वो चलती है, फिर उसके बाद कौन सी, इनको एक सीक्वेंस पे लिखना है. और उसके बाद आपने इसको बुक वर्क को फिल करने के बाद आपने इसको आंसर्स को ये यहाँ से टैली करना है. Unit number 10. Open page number 35. Road safety. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to tell about what is traffic rules, importance of traffic rules, pedestrians, how we can cross a busy road. Traffic rules. Thousands of people live in large cities. People have to go from place to place. Adults go to work. Children go to school. Traffic is always on the move. Roads are very busy in the morning when people go to work, and in the evening when people go home. Students, हर किसी के ऊपर ट्रैफिक रूल्स को फॉलो करना कंपलसरी है, चाहे वो ड्राइविंग कर रहा है, राइडिंग कर रहा है, मोटरसाइकिल पे है या बाइसिकल चला रहा है, वॉकिंग कर रहा है. हर किसी पे कंपलसरी है कि वो ट्रैफिक रूल्स को फॉलो करें. ये कुछ साइंस हैं जो कि आप लोग अक्सर रोड्स के ऊपर देखते होंगे, लाइक यू टर्न का साइन है, स्टॉप का, स्पीड लिमिट का, हॉर्न ना बजाने का, नो पार्किंग के साइन होते हैं. ये अक्सर आपने बाहर देखे होंगे. स्टूडेंट्स, ये तो सिग्नल आपने लाजमी देखा होगा, जो हर रोड के ऊपर होता है. रेड सिग्नल जो होता है, जैसी रेड लाइट ऑन होती है इट्स मीन स्टॉप हो जाना। येलो लाइट जहाँ पे ऑन होती है इट्स मीन रेडी टू गो। और जैसे ही ग्रीन लाइट ऑन हो तो उसका मतलब है कि अब आप मूव कर सकते हैं रोड के ऊपर। इसको फॉलो करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है क्योंकि इसकी वजह से रोड्स के ऊपर एक्सीडेंट्स नहीं होते और मेस नहीं होता। Importance of traffic rules. These rules are made to keep everyone safe and to prevent accidents. Traffic rules are set out in a book called the Highway Code. Breaking traffic rules is punishable by law. स्टूडेंट्स, ट्रैफिक रूल्स को फॉलो करना इसलिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है क्योंकि इससे रोड्स के ऊपर मैस नहीं होता। एक तो सब लोग आपकी रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे कि ये रूल्स को फॉलो कर रहे हैं और इसकी वजह से एक्सीडेंट्स नहीं होंगे। हम एक्सीडेंट्स को बहुत ज़्यादा कम कर सकते हैं अगर हम ट्रैफिक रूल्स को फॉलो करें। इसलिए स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों पे भी कंपल्सरी है कि आपने भी लाजमी ट्रैफिक रूल्स को फॉलो करना है, चाहे आप पैदल ही चल रहे हैं, चाहे आप रोड के ऊपर का गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं। Pedestrians. People who walk along a footpath are pedestrians. When you walk to school, you are a pedestrian. Pedestrians have to be very careful. What are the rules for crossing a busy road? Number 1. Always cross the road at a zebra crossing or a safe place. Number 2. Before crossing a road, first look right, then look left, look right again. Listen carefully if there is no traffic coming across the road. Number 3. When you want to cross a road, make sure you can see both ways. Do not cross from behind a parked vehicle. Now there is a turn to sum up fourth topic. We have a summary of it. Learn the question answers from your notebook or summer vacation work. Now students, open page number 37. Here are some road safety situations. Put a tick against those which you think are safe. Put a cross against those which are not. Complete the bookwork on page number 37 and match your answers with the ones given here. In this video lesson, I have explained 4 chapters for all to use: services, transport and road safety. I hope you have understood the important concepts. Thanks for watching this video.